Hey, my name is Wilke de Kraai, the founder of Connect.io, and I want to give you a quick demo of Connect Explore. As you know, you can target Facebook ads to any group of people based on what they're interested in. And the challenge is that using the Facebook Ads Manager or the Audience Insights tool, it's really hard to find the right interest to target. You'll either find a few highly competitive interests, or you'll be spending hours upon hours on research every single time you want to get a campaign up and running. And worst of all, even when doing that, your ads are still shown to a generic audience who aren't as likely to convert. Connect Explore changes all of that. In just a matter of seconds, you'll find more interest to target than any of your competitors ever could. And even better, it allows you to get your ads in front of the most passionate group of people inside your market that are most likely to convert. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you everything step by step so you can see firsthand of how it all works. Let's get started with the audience search, which is an in-depth search engine that will find you hundreds and hundreds of interests to target in any market and any language. All you need to do to get started is enter one or multiple keywords, which you can even enrich using search extensions. Simply hit search and we'll give you as many interests as we can find. And obviously you want to target only the best audiences possible, which is why we pre-analyze your results so you can easily filter the most relevant audiences for your business. And as you can see right here, this single search already resulted in hundreds of different interests that you can target, and we're just getting started. Once you've gathered a list of initial interest, we will then automatically find even more interests that are all highly related. And this goes outside of the keyword that you've entered, making sure you're not limited to your own imagination. And as you can see, we made it our mission to make this incredibly intuitive and easy to use for everyone. So you can easily add these interests to your Facebook ads account, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. Now that you've gathered a list of highly related interests to target, you can simply add them to your Facebook ads account from within the dashboard with a single click. There's no copy pasting or other manual work needed whatsoever. And while doing that, we've added something called layering, which allows you to easily dial into your audience even deeper. So normally you'll be targeting everyone who's inside any of those interests that you selected, even if they're just inside one of them. And using layering, we'll split up your total audiences into multiple groups of people, and we will then target the overlapping segments of those groups. In other words, you'll only be targeting those who are a match for at least 3 of those interests. Now, who do you think is more targeted? People who've accidentally liked one of those things, or at least 3 different ones? Exactly. So Connect Explore makes it super easy. Simply add multiple layers, divide your interest, and hit apply. It's literally that easy. And as I'm sure you know by now, Connect Explore changes the game from here on out on how we're going to target our ads on Facebook. You'll be able to find way more highly related interests to target in a matter of minutes. Target only the most profitable audiences using layering and apply it all to your Facebook ads account with a single click. And best of all, do it all from within a really easy to use dashboard. Hope you like this quick demo video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.